In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipchamp for video editing. Start by opening Clipchamp in your browser and selecting Create a new video. Right away, choose the aspect ratio that matches where your video will live. Go with 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok and other vertical platforms. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can still adjust the framing down the line. Next, bring in your material, click Import Media, then upload your videos, images, and any music or audio you plan to use. Once your files appear in the media bin, drag them onto the timeline at the bottom. If you have a lot of clips, naming them beforehand and uploading in small batches can help you stay organized and avoid long waiting times. Now let's get your story into shape. Click a clip on the timeline and drag its edges to trim the beginning or end. For precise edits in the middle, use the split tool, the little scissors icon, to cut the clip where you want, then delete any unwanted sections. If you need accuracy, use the timeline zoom to dial in your view so you can cut exactly on beats or scene changes. Arrange your clips by dragging them into the order you want, placing them in sequence so your narrative flows from start to finish. Keep an eye on pacing. Shorter, purposeful shots often feel more engaging. Add sound by opening the Music and SFX tab to browse built-in tracks or upload your own audio. Drag the track to an audio lane and adjust its volume in the right panel so it supports, not overwhelms, your visuals. To record narration, choose Record and Create, then Audio, and record your voiceover directly inside Clipchamp. For titles and subtitles, click Text on the left, pick a style like a main title, lower third or subtitle, and drag it onto the timeline. Customize the font, color, size, and position. Aim for strong contrast and readable sizes so your text stays clear on mobile screens. Enhance the look and flow with transitions by dragging them between clips. Simple fades and slides work well. For visual polish, select a clip and explore filters or effects to adjust brightness and contrast. Keep your adjustments consistent across clips for a cohesive look. If your footage needs reframing, select the clip and use crop, rotate, or fit/fill to align it with your chosen aspect ratio and platform. Tidy your audio by selecting an audio or video clip and adjusting volume, adding fade in or fade out, and using noise reduction to mute background distractions. To speed things up, try auto captions to generate subtitles, text to speech to create AI voiceovers, and silence removal to cut dead air. Always review auto results for accuracy. When you're happy, click Export, choose your quality, 720p, 1080p, or 4K,